Meet Gemini, Google's latest AI superstar. So, what exactly is Gemini? Okay, picture this. Gemini is not just about understanding text. Gemini dives into the world of images, videos, and audio. It's like an all in one genius that can tackle complex math problems, decipher physics mysteries, and even whip up some top notch code in different programming language. So, where can you witness Gemini's magic? Well, Gemini Pro has officially landed on Vertex AI, Google Cloud's comprehensive AI platform. This powerhouse comes equipped with user friendly tools, fully managed infrastructure, and top notch privacy and safety features. As all of you may know, this is not just an AI model, this is a game changer. And here's the scoop Gemini isn't just stopping there. It's now gearing up to spread its wings and work its magic across other Google services. That means more exciting possibilities are on the horizon. Now, if you're curious to learn more about Gemini and its behind the scenes journey, then dive into the Google universe to explore the collaborative efforts and groundbreaking technology that brought Gemini AI to life. The journey's just begun, and Gemini is set to redefine how we interact with AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.